up, guys? Today's video is going to be a little bit different. Do a little walkthrough, top end rebuild on my 2019 YZ250. So, see what we're working with here. This should be just a gasket kit, because my other kit didn't have it in there. Put that down there for now. Should have all the gaskets for the entire top end. We might not use them all. Should have needle bearing rings right there. Good plated piston. And snap rings. Should be good. Now I can start tearing this sucker apart. Now this guy, I done got the whole subframe off. Carburetors got it kind of hanging out of the way, so we should be able to get to most of our stuff. Those look like 8mm. I gotta unhook the power valve, which I may go ahead and take that coolant hose off first. Go ahead and grab it. 8mm for that though. Probably leak a little bit of coolant, but it shouldn't leak much out of it because it's just coming from the top there. Try to tip it up. Sounds good. Gotta love coolant, it's always sticky. Always a fun time. Ooh, coolant's never fun. But no coolant anywhere it don't need to be. Don't know what size that is. We shall figure it out. No, it is a 12. Break those loose anyway. Okay, check back when we got all those loose. All the head nuts off, so we should be able to pull this head off. So we did get the head off, but we had to loosen a few of the motor mounts to drop it down enough to clear this little bracket right here. Break all those loose. Linkage a little bit. Break that loose. Get that washer on there. Pop that off there. Lay it out of the way. That gives you access to your other main jug bolt there. You want to make sure that the piston's at the very bottom. That way the jug has some room to get off there. Pretty close right there. And we've got all the jug bolts off. All that. Get out of there. Okay, got it broke loose. Gotta slide it off there. Gasket off there. Ripped up anyway. Cylinder looks good. You want to make sure you put a rag down here on top of the crank. I just soaked up a little bit of this coolant. Just cleaning that seal off a little bit. Good for a new gasket when it goes on. So we'll wipe it down real good. If there's any old gasket on there, you can clean it off good. Get your little clip started. Pop it off both sides. Once you get those off, push your little pin through. Should release it. Like that. You can go ahead and get your needle bearing out there too. Looks good. Should be good. Go ahead and pop this reed cage off. I got a gasket for it and put it on. Also got a clutch down there for it. I'm going to throw in after we get all this done. So the base gasket, reed cage gasket. That'll do it. Power valve. Yep. Sweet. Got the gasket put on the reed cage right here. More than likely that was a problem with the leak on it. Make sure that the ring net, as long as it's between 11 and 15 thousandths, didn't look cooking. Okay. That was good. Sweet. Okay, slide the rings on the piston very carefully. Sweet. Get those, we'll put in there. The arrow on the piston goes to the exhaust side of the motor. Okay. Put plenty of assembly lube on this needle bearing. Don't want nothing scorching on the first startup. Slide it in there. Go ahead and get some on this pin too. Rubidium. Now hold this guy up. Make sure that arrow's towards the exhaust side. Keep it rag in there just in case you drop anything. This guy started nice and straight. There we go. like so. And you get our pins and pop our pins in the end, and that's all there is to it. I'm gonna set the ring in there, get that one end started in the groove. And pull these old wheels off here. Put a little bit of assembly lube. Got plenty of assembly lube down in the cylinder. Get all the way to the bottom. There. It compresses the rings. And there is 2 little dowel pins on the piston. You gotta line the rings up with them too. And it'll go right on there. Everything should turn real smoothly. Be real smooth. Looks like that is. So should be good. Tighten the base bolts down and get set, put that on. Got the head set back down on there. Washer on all there. Spark plug in. Throw the carburetor back on, should be good.
Yeah.